How to send money on PayPal. So to start, you'll just have to open your PayPal application or simply go to your browser and then search for paypal.com. After that, log in or sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will automatically see this send option. After that, you will need to type here the name or the email of the account where you want to send money. And then I'll just have to tap on this one. So in here, we'll have to input the amount of money that we want to send, and then you can also add a purpose why you are sending money. After that, tap on the next option. So in here, you can choose either of this one, but as for me, I'm just gonna tap on this for goods and services. And then after that, tap on continue. So in here, if you haven't linked any payment method, you can either use your credit card or bank account. But as for me, I'm just gonna tap on this bank account option. And then after that, we'll just have to fill in the information here. Type your bank name, bank code, account number, and then your name. Once you're done, simply tap on the link your bank option. And then once you have added a payment method, you can now automatically send a money here on PayPal. So that's how easy you can send money on PayPal. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!